Habang binubuksan namin ang aming pintuan ngayon, binubuksan din namin ang aming puso para sa inyo. Aming komunidad, naway maging bahagi kami ng inyong pang-araw-araw na buhay pag-unlad.
We gotta spread the love, spread the love, spread that love.
Yung main store natin and the growth of Joshua's Meat Products wouldn't be possible without our customers, our suppliers, and syempre yung mga kasama namin dito sa JMPI.
We gotta spread the love, spread the love, spread that love. We started to believe it's life changing, setting me free. Love is waiting. We gotta spread the love, spread the love, spread that love.
We wanted to make it special for the people that were supporting Joshua throughout the years.
Maraming salamat sa aming mga tauhan na ever since na magsimula ang Joshua's Meat Products ay katuwang na namin sa pagpapalago ng aming hanap buhay.
It's life changing, setting me free. Love is waiting. We gotta spread the love, spread the love, spread that love.
I'd like to thank our customers na patuloy na sumusuporta at tumatangkilik sa Joshua's Meat Products. Kung wala po kayo, ay hindi po magiging ganito ang growth ng Joshua's Meat Products, and we owe it all to you.
What fortune lies beyond the stars, those dazzling heights too fast to climb. I got so high.
Nag-start yung Joshua's Meat Products ay 1993. Katulad nung nakikita natin. Una sa bahay lang muna siya. Sabi nung anak ko noon, Mami, Daddy, pagawa naman tayo ng bahay na walang tusinuhan. Kasi bilang nag-start sa business, wala pa kaming masyadong kapital. Yung kalahati ng bahay namin ay bahay at yung kalahati ay gawaan.
Isang reason din kung bakit nabuo yung Joshua is for the people of Nagcarlan.
Siguro part nun is learning and development and providing trainings for our employee.
When it comes to our products, we make sure that it is safe and it has, of course, the best quality that we can offer our customers. Siyempre, nagsisimula yan sa raw materials na kinukuha namin from our suppliers.
At ngayon naman, salamat sa Panginoon dahil may bagong pwesto na yung store na masasabi nating may pagmamalaki na natin, kompleto. At meron na rin kaming bukod na office. Bukod na rin yung tayo ng planta na dati nandun yung bahay namin na pinagsimulan.
Araw na ito ay bunga ng isang simpleng pangarap, ang makapaghatid ng dekalidad, sariwa at abot-kayang produkto para sa bawat pamilya, habang pinangangalagaan ang integridad, kahusayan at tapat na serbisyo.
Women knees hit the ground.